Periodontal disease is a site-specific disease. In order to evaluate the periodontal disease, probing depth and attachment loss are recorded in 6 sites: mesiobuccal, midbuccal, distobuccal, and same way for the lingual and palatal sites. Here we see a case of deep periodontal pockets associated with osseous defects. Scaling and root planing is done to remove the local factors. 6 weeks later, deep periodontal pockets that does not regress are treated surgically. In this case, full thickness flap is raised to access the root surface and to expose the bone defects. Infected granulation tissue and root surface irregularities are removed using curettes. After debridement, this defect shows sound bone in 3 aspects and hence indicated for bone grafting and guided tissue regeneration, briefly referred as GTR. Bone grafts are used to fill the osseous defects, and the GTR membrane is placed over that to facilitate regeneration. Flap is approximated and held in place with the sutures. Why is bone grafts and GTR indicated in periodontal regeneration? The answers are coming. In periodontal disease, progressive deepening of gingival sulcus leads to destruction of periodontal ligament fibers, cementum, and alveolar bone. According to Melcher, 4 periodontal structures are competing for replacing the lost tissues. Let us look at each one in detail. In the absence of a barrier, epithelium migrates apically to form long junctional epithelium, which is a weaker form of attachment. If connective tissue moves towards a defect, it causes root resorption. If bone cells move towards a defect, it results in ankylosis. In order to prevent these 3 structures from moving into the defect site, bone grafts along with the GTR membrane is placed over the defect to allow the periodontal ligament cells to reach the defect site. Bone grafts acts as a space filler, and GTR membrane prevents epithelial migration, thereby allowing the periodontal ligament cells to regenerate the lost periodontal structures.